Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin in KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up your KuCoin account. Start by registering with your email or phone number, then complete the identity verification process to unlock higher trading limits. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and secure trading experience on the platform. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency using methods like bank transfers or credit cards, or transfer existing cryptocurrency from another wallet. KuCoin supports a wide range of digital assets, making it flexible for your needs. Always check the associated fees and processing times for your chosen deposit method to ensure a seamless transaction and avoid any surprises. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the Buy Crypto section on KuCoin, select Bitcoin, and choose your desired payment method. You can use fiat currency or swap other cryptocurrencies. Review your order details carefully, including the amount and price, before confirming your purchase. Your newly acquired Bitcoin will then appear in your KuCoin wallet, ready for trading or holding. After buying, you can securely store your Bitcoin in your KuCoin wallet. You might explore various trading options available on the platform, or if you prefer, withdraw your Bitcoin to an external hardware wallet for long-term storage. Remember, understanding personal finance is key to building wealth. For those looking to deepen their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other valuable deals. It could truly change your perspective on money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.